Hello, mature divas. Well, I did it. I tried lash extensions, and I have to say I am very, very pleased about my experience. Ladies, I have struggled for a while now with thinning lashes that kind of went in all directions. I tried glue-on lashes and I tried magnetic lashes, and neither one worked for me. For many years, I really didn't worry about it because I wore glasses 99.99% of the time. And I only wore contact lenses if I was going on vacation or if it was a special occasion and I wanted to look cute. So since I wore glasses, I felt that people really didn't look at my eyes or even cared. However, since starting the Mature Diva channel, I'm on camera now, and looking good and feeling confident are important to me. So I decided to take action. I did my research and decided to explore lash extensions. Since I'm a mature diva, I wanted to bring you my experience and perspective as a grown woman over the age of 50. First, I did a lot of research on YouTube and online. I found that doing research online was very helpful because I could see results on women with my skin tone. Next, I researched the procedure, the length of time, the expectations, and the requirements. After that, I looked into what type of lash extension would work best on me, my eye shape, something for my hooded eyes, and my lifestyle. Once I determined what I wanted, I located a professional near my home who had great reviews and feedback online from customers. I made an appointment for a consultation and a full lash set. I chose the amazing Lash studio, and my professional was Kashmere. She's a lovely lady and she immediately put me at ease. I had some concerns about someone working on my lashes because in the past I've had trouble with makeup artists doing my eye makeup, and I even sometimes have issues putting in my own contact lenses. So here's what happened. First, the consultant had me wash my lashes at their wash station to ensure that my eye area was completely clean. It is so important that you arrive to your appointment with a clean face, no makeup, especially around the eye area. Do not wear any makeup or moisturizer. I don't like to leave my home without makeup, so I went directly to my appointment. At my consultation, we went over what I wanted the final result to be, and she showed me options on how to get that result. She made a suggestion based on my lifestyle and shape of my eye to get the results that I wanted. Next, Kashmere examined my natural lashes to ensure what we had discussed would work. I laid back and she brushed out my lashes, taped off the area that needed to be isolated for her to work with. I closed my eyes and then she worked her magic. I was there for about 2 hours and it was a pleasant experience. It was very relaxing. We chatted through the procedure and it didn't even seem like I was there for 2 hours. I think I even dozed off for a bit. At the end of the session, she removed the tape and gave me a mirror so that I could look at all of my beautiful new lashes. I was very pleased with the end result, and here are some photos of the before and after. As you can see, my lashes are fuller and I love them. They are lightweight and I can't even feel them. Thank you, Kashmere, and everyone at Amazing Lash Studio in Alamo Ranch. I hope you all found this information helpful, And if you're thinking about lash extensions, do your research, as this option may not be suitable for everyone, but I love my results. If you have questions about my experience, leave me a comment below. And please subscribe to my channel. This is going to be a part of a series on lash extensions, and I will be doing an episode on how to wash and take care of your lash extensions. Also, subscribers are eligible for a chance to win a Coach wallet in January. Mature Divas, until next time, be happy.